Brevard Bio-Dog Academy. Brevard Bio-Dog Academy has established itself as the undisputed leader in the field of dog training, handler training, consultation services, research projects. This philosophy moves Brevard Bio-Dog Academy away from operating on traditional methods and to establish new techniques in the field of utilizing the dog to save lives of people and property. This led us to develop a communication channel between the handler and the dog. And this led us to develop the Brevard Bio-Dog Academy command structure. This breakthrough resulted in Brevard Bio-Dog Academy to, over the past few decades, establish itself as an undisputed leader in the field of dog and handler training and related activities on the basis of the breakthrough in the communication channel between dog and human.